Hello everyone, I'm going to show you this holiday template. This tutorial will show you both the 5x7 card and the 8x10 wall art. It will show you the options between if you are an Elements user and a Photoshop CC user, or just Photoshop without Elements. When you open it up, you'll see a print disclaimer. Make sure that you shut that layer down. You're going to see Happy Holidays, there's a snowman, and you've got your bubble letters. Right now I'm working in the 5x7 card. You're going to see though, if you look in images, image size, it's actually a 10x14, so you can upsize it. And if you need to upsize this even larger, you want to print it within the aspect ratio larger, you must do that by going to image size. You can then change the width and the height, press OK. I would keep this under preserve detail enlargement, and you need to do this before. So if I wanted to, let's say, change this to a 20x14 or 24x17, it will stay within the same ratio, but you want to do this before you place any images in. And it's very easy to upsize. So you'll see here that this template comes with the word happy. Happy is not editable, but you can click it off. You can open up a text layer and add in whatever you want, using whatever font you want, and place it anywhere you like. Put in Merry Holidays. You can also, let's say, add in another text layer because this is a holiday card. Love the Merry family. You can put that in. You can write anything you like on this template. It's highly and extremely editable. Adding in your own text layers. And I'm going to just click that off, but you'll see here that this layer, Happy, is still there. It also comes with an effect applied. So the effect is turned off right now. I'm going to click to the left of the word effect and turn the eyeball back on, and you can see that the color overlay is red. If you would like to change that or turn off the effect, you can just click the eyeball next to all the effects or the color overlay, and it goes back to your gray color. However, if you double click on effects, it opens up the layer style panel. You can then add other effects like a stroke, and you have to click into the actual box, and then you can pick a type of stroke that you would like. A stroke is just just a little line around your letters. You can change the color of the template by going to color overlay, and you can actually change this color, or you can press the plus sign and then add a different overlay color. Maybe I want to make it blue. Press OK. Now you'll see in my effects panel, I have two color overlays. I've got the red one on top. Click that off and it is blue. That's a really simple way of changing the colors on the text layer. But again, this is not an editable layer where you cannot change the actual words and fonts. You just have to shut that off or on. However, if you grab it, you can move it. Oops. Press Command T. Open up the free transformation, and you can move it around anywhere you like. There is also a little snowman here. Snowman, also click on the snowman layer, click it on and off. Again, he has an effect already made. You can make him larger, smaller, whatever you like, or you could turn off the effects, or you can change the effect, just in the same way that I showed you with Happy Holidays. I'm gonna look here now under holiday letters. And you'll see here that the holiday letters are in a folder. So if you are an Elements user, your template will come without this folder, and it will have all of the holiday letters just out in a line within this layer panel. But with the folder, it just makes it a little bit easier to turn them all on and off at the same time if you needed to. But Elements does not work with folders, so I have two options for you. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to click on a letter, like the letter H. You're going to go to File, Place Embedded, pick a photo, bring the photo in, resize it, put it over the layer that you want it to fall into. Then you're going to right-click on it, press Create Clipping Mask, and you've now clipped that photo into the H. Press Command T, and you can move it and even resize it a little bit, however you would like it to look. And there you go. Now you'll see that the H has an effect already wrapped around it. It actually has two effects. So I'm going to turn off. Now you see how you can see a line? I'm going to zoom in. You can see that there's a gray line around there. If I turn off all the effects, we have no more stroke. If I click off the top stroke and click on the bottom stroke, you now have a red line, so a red stroke. And again, just as I showed you earlier in the video, you can click on the effects panel and you can go in and change all kinds of things. You can add different color strokes, whatever you like. It's a fun thing to play with. So I have already pre-applied 2 colored strokes in there for you. And you would just copy and repeat everything I just did. And that's how you use this template. Just take a quick look over here. I also have the holidays 8x10 template. It really is exactly the same thing. You have your, you have your print disclaimer. You have happy. You have your little snowman, which the effects were already turned on. Same exact effects. You have your holiday letters. And your holiday letters all have the same effects applied to it. The only thing that's different is that I added merry, happy, and joy because this is a wall art and you probably are not going to be writing in, it's not a holiday card, so you're probably not going to need the space for to use this space to write in any kind of salutation. So merry, happy, and joy have the same thing. They have an effect applied to it. You click on your effect and they are red, or you can turn it off. And that is basically how you use this template. If you have any questions, please contact us at Photobox Designs. And we have many, many more holiday and over 700 at this point when this video is being made, Photoshop templates to be used for all kinds of holidays, events, and fun activities.